blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use blue color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. It's neither H. The alphabets of H and use yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. It's neither O. The alphabets of O and use red color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. It's neither V. The alphabets of V and use green color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now I draw numbers and first I draw 1 and use red color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. It's neither 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw 2D shapes. And first they draw hexagon and use red color. This is hexagon. The shape of hexagon. It's neither circle. The shape of circle and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is circle. The shape of circle. It's neither pentagon. The shape of pentagon and use blue color. Blue color. This is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. Black color. This is triangle. It's neither heart. The shape of heart and use green color. Green color. This is heart. The shape of heart. The shape of heart. It's neither Easter. The shape of Easter and use white color. This is Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.